Okay, so let's start the second session of our class as the first session ended. Okay, so here's my screen as you all were doing your work. So those who have completed question number 1 can start doing question number 2 as I'm starting it over here. जी फरीहा अनम्यूट करो बेटा, बोलो।
टीचर जो आपने अभी राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ अंडरलाइन डिजिट वो जो है ना उसके आगे वाले पेज पे करना है।
जी नेक्स्ट पेज ऑन द न्यू पेज ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, ठीक है।
लेकिन टीचर मेरे तो बहुत सारी लाइंस बची हैं।
स्टिल आप मुझे अपना काम दिखाइए जरा, शो इट ऑन द इन द कैमरा, आई वांट टू सी इट जो आपने काम किया है। ओपन योर कैमरा एंड शो इट टू मी। ओके बेटा, नो प्रॉब्लम, आप न्यू पेज पे काम कर लो, ठीक है। डू इट ऑन द न्यू पेज। ओके, सो लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Okay, question number 2 says write the following numbers. Write the following numbers Okay, so here is the example of this exercise, and it says you have to write the numbers like this. There are two tens and 8 ones. So what will be the answer for it? When there are 2 tens and 8 ones. What will be the answer for this? When there are 2 tens and 8 ones. What will be the answer? Write it in the chat box. This is the question. G. Okay, very good, Hassan. 28 is the answer. Very good. So this is the way we are going to do this second exercise. Underline it. Okay, Amna, Tabesh, Abraham, Zainab, you all have given the correct answer. Excellent, very good. So this is the example. Let's start the exercise. I hope everyone has done question number 1. Sabne question number 1 kar liya? Give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Send me a thumbs up through Zoom if you all have done question number 1. Ji Abdullah, unmute yourself, beta.
मिस ये जो आपने काम करवाया है हमें 100,000 का उसके नीचे से ये वाला काम शुरू करना है।
क्वेश्चन 2 न्यू पेज पे होगा। क्वेश्चन 2 न्यू पेज पे होगा जी। क्वेश्चन 1 न्यू पेज, क्वेश्चन 2 ऑन द न्यू पेज।
ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज से स्टार्ट।
यस, okay, so I'm sharing the screen again. Those who have done question number 1 can start question number 2, and this is the example, okay? So let's start the exercise and start solving it. Number 1, there are 3 thousands. Oops, why is it underlined? There are 3 thousands 3,400, 400, 5 tens and 6 ones. What will be the answer? Chat box. Give me the answer in the chat box. This is question number 2, which will be done on the new page. फहद शहजाद, आप एक नंबर भूल गए हैं, बाकी आपका आंसर सही है. हसान, you have given the correct answer. What about the rest of the students? What are they doing? जी अलिशबा, अनम्यूट करो बेटे. अब्राहम, जैनब आपने करेक्ट आंसर दिया बेटा. जी अब्राहम, आपने भी यू हैव रिटन द रॉन्ग आंसर. जी फहद, नाउ योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. आमना, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. अलिशबा बेटा अनम्यूट करो, बोलो क्या हुआ है. Eba, you have given the wrong answer. There are 3,000 written as well. So, Alishba, unmute yourself, beta. जी अलिशबा बोलो बेटे.
कुछ नहीं हुआ. मैं
बेटे तो आपने हैंड रेज किया था.
गलती से हो गया था.
Okay, just do your work. Okay, Alishba, you have now given the correct answer. Okay, keep doing your work. Okay, is your work done till here? Okay, yes. So the answer for this is 3,456. Very good. Those who gave the answer, excellent. Very good. Okay, so let's do the second question. The second one, the second example. बेटे इस सारे चीजों में ना you are supposed to leave one line and then do it. Okay. Okay. So the next one is 800, 0. What will be the answer for this? What will be the answer for this? Excellent, Ayan Ashraf. Very good. Hassan, very good. Abraham, very good. The answer will be 801. Okay, Fariha, Lishba, Zainab, Abraham, Ayan, आप सबने सही आंसर दिया. Very good. I hope everyone is doing their work. Okay, so the third question is 3 tens and ones. Answer. Very good. Very good. Fahad, Hassan, Malahim, Zainab, Abraham. Very good. 32 is the answer. Very good. Very good, Amnat Abesh. Very good, Fariha. Okay, so the last number is answer. Okay, Malahim, Zainab, Ayan Ashraf, Hassan, Fahad, Amnat Abish, they all are giving the correct answer. Very good. It is 9,765. Very good. These are the two questions that we have done in our fair copies, in our school copies. And I want this work very neat and clean in the copies. Both the questions are supposed to be done on a new page. Question 1 and question 2 as well. So give me those who have done both the questions, just write done in the chat box and then you can leave the class. Those who have done both the questions can write done in the chat box. Okay, Hassanullah, you can leave the class, beta. Okay, Abraham has done, Fahad has done. You can leave the class, beta, if you want to. I'll be uploading your homework on University, okay? I'll be uploading your homework on University, okay? So do it in your copy and I'll be writing the instructions as well. Okay, Fariha, Zainab, Amna, those beta you all have done. You all can leave the class. It's 4 now. You can go, beta. Bye. Allah Hafiz, Zainab. Allah Hafiz. बेटे जो कर रहे हैं वो कर लीजिए. I'll end the okay. Alishba Hamid has also done. I'll end the class at on 4:10. आप लोग काम कर लीजिए. Okay, Fatma, you can also leave if you have done the work. जी रुबाइशा मोहसिन, unmute yourself. बोलिए क्या हुआ बेटा? Unmute करो.
work.
You have done your work. Okay, you can leave the class, beta. If you want to go, you can go. ठीक है? Okay, so who else has done? Ayan Abbas, open your camera. Ayan Abbas, open your camera. Show me your copy. You're doing your work. Show me your copy. Where are you doing your work? दिखाइए मुझे बेटे. Where are you doing your work? जी unmute करो बेटा. Unmute yourself. Okay, Heba, you can leave the class.
मैंने लेट ज्वाइन की थी.
तो बेटे मैं कॉपी में काम करवा रही हूँ. This work
मैंने
must be done in your
लेट ज्वाइन की थी, इसलिए मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है. अभी
बेटे ये काम हमने कॉपी में किया है. आफ्टर राइटिंग द सिलेबस. सब बच्चे सिलेबस लिख चुके हैं. वो आप भी लिख चुके होंगे. आई कांट हेयर यू बेटा. मुझे आपकी आवाज सही से नहीं आ रही है.
मिस
जी
मिस
बोले बेटे.
मिस मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया. मैं बाद में काम कर लूंगा.
बेटे okay, after completing your work send me a picture on the WhatsApp. Okay, send me a picture on the WhatsApp after completing your work.
Okay.
So you can leave the class if you want to. Okay.
Okay.
And Ashraf done? You have done? You have completed all the work which is on the screen. Okay, so you can leave the class. Allah Hafiz. Abdullah, Rehan, Talbiha, where are you people? Have you done? Talbiha, you have finished your work? Completed the whole thing? Unmute karo beta. Unmute yourself.
बस लास्ट लाइन रह गई है.
Okay, okay. Yes, Rehan, where are you? कौन से क्वेश्चन पे हैं आप बेटे?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे हूँ, बोलो.
Question number 2. Okay, do your work. जी अब्दुल्ला बेटे, where are you?
मिस मेरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हो गया है, बस मैं एक चीज सिर पे जा रहा हूँ.
Okay. बेटा, आई होप आप सबको क्लियर नजर आ रहा है. जी अब्दुल्ला, unmute yourself.
मिस मैडम
You have done? Okay, you can go. Lafis. जी Talbiya, unmute yourself beta.
That's why my work is done.
Okay, you can go. Lafis. Rehan, only you are left bete. You can take a screenshot and then complete it. You can take a screenshot of this question and then complete it. Okay? आप screenshot ले लो बेटे. Ask mama to take a screenshot. Unmute कीजिए Rehan and let me know that where are you, on which question number are you on? जी बेटा बोलो.
2,800.
क्या कह रहे हो बेटा, दोबारा बोलो.
पॉइंट पे हैं।
हम 2 पॉइंट में।
बेटा आप लास्ट वाले पे हो, नंबर 4 पे हो।
3 2 2 2 पे
3 में,
3 वाले पे बोलो।
3 वाले में।
ओके
Miss done.
okay you can go.
Done.